Hi, I'm Gary from organicweb.com.au and authenticately.com. I'm a Mailchimp partner, and today I'll show you how we can see if our domain is authenticated for sending from Mailchimp. By authenticating our domain, we can greatly increase our chance of our emails going through spam filters. So let's go across into Mailchimp. You'll notice I'm in Mailchimp at the moment. So to see if our domain is authenticated, what we do is we click our name up to the top right of the screen. We then click Account, click Settings, and then Domains. What you'll see here is that under Verify Your Email Domain are the domains that I've added to Mailchimp. In other words, the domains that I can send from in Mailchimp. What I really want to see is green authenticated next to the domain name. If I have blue verified, I still need to authenticate my domain. And as I mentioned earlier, by authenticating our domain, we have a far better chance of getting through spam filters. If you need help with authenticating your domain, please contact me at authenticately.com. Thanks for joining me.